for quick implementation of Article 244A of the Indian Constitutions on 6 scheduled areas of Assam, Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong and the Mahasau district, mass praying ceremony was organized at New Market Hamren by Autonomous State Demand Committee on Friday. On 2nd of August, around 11:30 a.m., Autonomous State Demand Committee in association with Karbi Students Association and Karbi Nimsoting Thorasong organized a mass praying ceremony at Hamren New Market in front of multi-utility building for quick implementation of Article 244A of the Indian Constitutions on 6 scheduled areas of Assam's Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong and the Mahasau districts. It is informed that ASDC are prepared for the steps that need to be taken for the creation of autonomous state. So, before initiating their activities, they organize a praying ceremony to seek blessings from God. Hence, people from across the district came and jointly offered prayers irrespective of their community and religious background for the sake of autonomous state.
Asi non ke puthor lam so seli tum la hemprek long le tik ka che song in ton te deji phan non e prang pen ke son son ka che song sai ke deng ponji phan ye se song hin man kama thapon mek bang do adlo la si hala so ka che song sai ke deng aprang ilitum jan non munit munor ke arna masu pe na ka potsi arna maja kong ke long nang ji phan arna ma hir jumni ke long nang ji phan tum arna pharo ma sai deng ponang ji pusi central committee hin pen itu se parai pon.
On this occasion, His Highness Ram Singh Ronghang, Karbi King, also attended the event and showered his blessings upon the organization and also offered his prayer for the quick implementation of Article 244A of the Indian Constitution, which is a constitutional rights for the 6 scheduled areas of Assam's Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong and the Mahasau district.
Dona kau presiden nan berila disiden kancing pon apa nasawasong penreza bom kita itu nasi itu nasa emper kancing kilona ya panjang itu anjute itu lah panjang itu atau besi ya penjupol asih itu saya kau kita orang cuba ikan kaca ini masih enam
Daniel in his report from Hamren, Karbi Anglong Live.